Welcome to DNA Auto House. We are a family-run dealership based in the West Midlands, specialising in luxury and performance vehicles. All meticulously handpicked to ensure our customers are receiving the highest quality products out there on the market. Which today brings us to this stunning Mercedes-Benz C63 Premium Plus Night Edition, finished off in Selenite Grey Metallic. This E63 AMG comes with a high desirable specification, including radar-guided adaptive cruise control, traffic sign assist, AMG Dynamic Control Select, AMG Night Package, Burmester surround sound audio, heated electric memory seats, split folding rear seats, MBUX Multimedia Package, wireless charging, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. In addition, this comes with a glass sliding panoramic sunroof, driving assistant plus package, 360-degree surround view camera with blind spot assist, LED performance headlights and active brake assist. Cosmetically, this entirely benefits from AMG Macchiato Beige Leather with carbon interior trim and 64 light ambient lighting. Externally, this benefits from Selenite Grey Metallic paint finish, 20-inch AMG Performance cross-spoke forged alloys in matte black with High-Sheen Rim, mirror package and privacy glass. This E63 AMG comes with full Mercedes-Benz service history, having only covered 28,700 miles, 2 former keepers, and in excellent condition internally and externally. This is a stunning individual example with a high factory specification. Full details and photos are over on our website. Any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Contact details are below. Make sure to follow us over on our Instagram page at DNA_Auto House for the latest stock updates and services.